here's why I love bringing the Thule Subterra 2 Power Shuttle whenever I'm on the go. So as a reviewer of cool things and a travel enthusiast, I always bring my Thule Subterra 2 Power Shuttle everywhere I go. So basically, this keeps all of my travel and tech essentials all in one place. So on the top zipper portion, I have my passport, which is always very important. And on the second portion level of the organizer, I have the battery pack for my phone, which fits perfectly right there, and then my wireless Bluetooth earbuds. On the last level, or bottom level, we have these bands that keeps all of my cables, chargers, organized in one place. On the middle portion, we have a holder for my Apple Pencil. So whenever I need to take quick notes or just want to sketch out some doodles on my iPad when I'm on the go, this comes in really clutch. Now towards the right side of the Power Shuttle, we have like a larger pocket here and a bottom pocket. And this is all elastic, so it's very breathable, stretchable. So on the top portion, I usually just store my SSD, and I use this for all my editing when I'm traveling. And on the bottom portion, it's like the perfect compartment for my Digicam. So whenever I need to take quick shots, quick videos here and there, this keeps it protected and all in one place. So this is Josh from BrandsWalk, and I hope you enjoyed this review or overview, I would say, of the Thule Subterra 2 Power Shuttle Tech Organizer. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to leave a comment down below for any questions or comments. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.